The Real 360 technology is based on different Virtual Mind International patents. Real 360 is not only hardware. Orion 360 in civil media field, and Panopts 360 field defense and military are two platforms for managing omnidirectional content that can handle millions of input and millions of users even with facial recognition. Real 360 and 720 are the first cameras in the world capable of recording images and omnidirectional video in real time, and with high resolutions with possibility to send data to other devices via Wi-Fi or 4G network. No limitation of shape of the product or number of optical, recording up to 100 million pixels. The Orion 360 and Panopts 360 software platforms can interface with today in the media and defense world hardware and software dedicated platform. Innovative other features are 2 or more optic, real-time video stitching, real-time live broadcast, high-resolution recorder, up to 100 million pixels, stereoscopic recorder, dedicated broadcasting platform. Differently than other cameras on Virtual Mind patent provides the ability to create an omnidirectional camera on the specific needs. Real 360 technology offers a great potential to be integrated with other products. Media, automotive, aerospace, industry, underwater vehicles, industrial or biomedical endoscopic probes. Technology Real 360 and consumer versions, prosumer, and professional can be deployed in smartphone, space robot, helmet, video security, aboard drones and UAV, aboard manned or unmanned vehicles. Motog Superbike application. Application, facing Formula 1. Real 720 professional application, security. Real 720 application, military and defense. Real 720 professional application aeronautics and UAV. Real 720 professional application aerospace. Mission operation, monitoring and control. Astronauts rescue performing. International Space Station structure real-time monitoring and control. Extravehicular activity assisting. Real 720 Professional Application Industry, Underwater. VirtualMind are trademarks and registered patents. Please visit virtualmind.it, panopts360.com, real720.com, aeromechanica.it, fly360.com.